Welcome on board SteinyAirways.
Good morning! I've got a cough and it's lasted for more than 3 weeks, so I've decided it's a cancer cough. So I'm going to the doctors to see if I've got cancer. Hopefully it's not going to be bad news, but I've had it a long time, so I don't know. Right, I'm just going into the doctors now, so wish me luck, see you in a bit. Right, I've been to the doctors and she gave me a 5-second analysis, like did a little bit of rubbing on my chest and got the stethoscope out, and then she said, "It's good news, I don't have cancer, woo!" But I have been given some antibiotics and an inhaler because it turns out that we're bringing asthma back to 2012. The last time I had asthma was in the late 90s, so this is going to be a crazy day. Well, there's no time like the present, so I've decided to crack my inhaler open and give it a little blast. If I remember rightly, you have to give it a little shake. Very nice. Take the little cap off. Just put it in my pocket. Right, and then oh god. Okay, let's have another go. Okay, let's have another go. I've got it, I've got it. That were better. Yeah, I think I'm a little bit less wheezy. Definite improvement there. Let's have some more. Oh, I have to get used to this again. So a couple of days have passed now and I've been tooting away on my inhaler and popping the pills, but I seem to still have a bit of a chesty cough. Example of the wheeziness. So still, you know, not feeling 100%. Hello! So a week has passed in the world of antibiotics and asthma and I'm still feeling a little bit rough. And I do still think that I have got cancer, but the advice was to complete the course. Under no circumstances should you not complete the course of antibiotics, and I've still got 5 tablets left, so they should last me just over a day, so I'm hoping that in that time the cancer will go away. But I suppose if it's still here I'm going to have to go back to the doctors. So I'm thinking, what's she going to say this time? Like, will I be given more antibiotics, or will she start taking the cancer seriously? We'll have to see anyway. See you next time. Bye!
Cabin crew, seats for landing, thank you.